Morning, students. Okay, for today we are going to look at the topic on carbon compounds. Okay, now actually, what is carbon compounds? Carbon compounds are compounds that consist of carbon elements. So at least there must be one carbon element present in carbon compounds. Okay, now actually, carbon compounds. Carbon is one of the most abundant element on Earth. So that's why we have a lot of carbon compounds. So carbon compounds actually can be divided into two categories. Okay, namely organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Okay, so what are actually organic compounds? Organic compounds are carbon compounds that originate from living things, whereas carbon compounds are compounds that originate from non-living things. Okay. Now, example of organic compounds are carbohydrate, protein, fats. Okay. Um, Glucose. All these are example of organic carbon compounds. Inorganic carbon compounds examples will be carbon dioxide gas, calcium carbonate, okay, sodium carbonate. All these are example of inorganic carbon compounds. Okay, organic compounds actually we can classify them into two types, which are hydrocarbon and non-hydrocarbon. If you look at the word hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon are compounds that only consist of two elements, that are carbon and hydrogen. Okay, and whatever carbon compounds uh, that consist whichever hydrocarbon that consists not only carbon and hydrogen, they are called non-hydrocarbons. Okay. Now, hydrocarbon actually consists of two, which are saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, what is the meaning of saturated and unsaturated? Now, saturated hydrocarbon, the carbon, the bond between one carbon and another carbon only consists of single covalent bonds. Okay, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbon, they can at least one of the bond consists of a double covalent bond or triple covalent bond. Okay, so examples of saturated hydrocarbon is alkane. Alkane only consists of carbon and hydrogen, and the bond between carbon atom and another carbon atom is only single covalent bond. Okay, and then unsaturated hydrocarbon example will be alkene. Okay, because it consists at least one of the bond in alkene consists of a double covalent bond. Okay, now non-hydrocarbons are examples are alcohol, carboxylic acid and esters. Okay, why we call them as non-hydrocarbons? Because they not only consist of carbon and hydrogen, there are additional element. Okay, for example, we have oxygen there. Okay, so that's why they are called non-hydrocarbons. Okay, so this is the beginning. Okay, so we will go deeply into this topic in our next lesson. Okay.